channel. This time we'll check how to create a Gmail account without phone number. So let's start. It's very easy here on Gmail. So if I want to create a new account, let's click on the right side of our icon. Then we are here on our icon, just click add another account. Let's click, for example, Google. Let's wait. Then here says create an account, just click there, and let's click for my personal use. Just write your name. I will write whatever. Now next. You have to write your basic information. Your gender, and then next. Here you will write your address. And then your password. Now what we have here, let's click next and agree. Our new account has been created on Google. If you can check, we create the account without any problem and without phone number. Just click on the information that they request you about your basic information, and that's it. Well guys, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.